there is a possibility of outside-the-box pick for the Supreme Court Justice. Latest buzz on who it might be. Are you ready for this? Al Gore! All right. Now, it's just somebody wrote it up in the New Yorker. There's not anyone from the Obama administration. There's no reason to believe that it's, has any validity as to whether he's being considered or not. He's not a lawyer, so obviously that would work against him. But the Senate has been encouraging Obama to pick a non-lawyer. It's perfectly acceptable to pick a non-lawyer for the Supreme Court. Those law clerks that they have are amazing and will handle a lot of the legal aspects of it for you. Now, if you pick a dummy, that's not going to, if you pick Joe the plumber and put him on the court, that's not going to help you. But Al Gore is certainly bright enough, and there's been other non-lawyers in the past of Supreme Court, and it would be awesome if he went and sat with the guys who decided Bush versus Gore, and he was now part of the court. That would be phenomenal and hilarious. I think he'd be great. It'd be a position worth his stature, if you ask me. They have a couple of different issues with him. The Republicans, of course, will flip the fuck out over the fact that he's Al Gore and liberal and actually cares about the environment and doesn't want to destroy the earth. Of course, that is grating to them and will be a tremendous problem. He's a little too old. He's only a little over 60, but these days they want to get somebody who's like 12 years old and will stay on the court for 80 years and agree with their side for 80 years. Now, that's, of course, a slight exaggeration. These are some of the issues for Al Gore. And, by the way, what happened? I thought Mark Halperin, Time Magazine's Mark Halperin said, white men need not apply. And there he is, a white man, Christian and all, that, now people are buzzing as to whether he's being considered or not. And do I think he should be considered? Definitely. If I was Obama, I would definitely have him on the list, and I'd put a lot of thought behind that. Ultimately, who does he pick? That's an interesting question and has a lot of different factors. But I almost think now that somebody's brought it up that it's almost a little insulting if he doesn't consider Gore. Like, I thought about Bill Clinton first, which would also be badass. But given that he had that problem about lying under oath and then having his, his ability to practice law taken away for a little while, putting him on the Supreme Court is problematic, right? But Al Gore, badass and no problems. And he might be a great justice. And you know what? I could see his fat ass up there. No offense. I'm right there with you, Al. You see me, right? But you see what I'm saying? Like, he walks in, Justice Gore. That sounds bad, doesn't it? Justice Gore. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Justice Al Gore. All right, I'm just saying. Put some thought behind it.